CHROME IBT 12V Battery Tester Review. Accurate, fast, and surprisingly smart. Ever feel stuck fumbling with unreliable battery testers, wasting time on dead or misdiagnosed 12-volt SLA batteries? Hours of guesswork, endless voltage checks, and inconsistent readings can leave you frustrated, overwhelmed, and drained. The lack of precision kills focus and motivation, turning even simple maintenance tasks into exhausting, time-consuming chores. Now imagine crushing deadlines, critical system checks, or fleet maintenance piling up while your outdated tools fail you. Dead batteries, misreads, and wasted trips escalate stress, trigger creeping burnout, and threaten safety. Every delayed diagnosis risks costly downtime or worse, missed alerts in fire, security, or industrial systems. Frustration turns urgent, making reliable testing an absolute must. Enter the CHROME IBT 12V SLA Intelligent Battery Tester by ACT Meters, your game-changing solution. This pocket-sized powerhouse delivers rapid, non-invasive testing in just 3 seconds, measuring voltage, internal resistance, CCA, SOC, and SOH without disconnecting the battery. Advanced pulsed load technology simulates a 20-hour discharge instantly, while temperature compensation ensures accurate readings in any environment. One roadside technician shared how the CHROME IBT saved the day, predicting battery failures before they left clients stranded. With its rugged casing, backlit LCD, optional thermal printer, memory storage for 99 tests, and compatibility with SLA, AGM, gel, flooded, and EFB batteries, it's designed for workshops, fleets, solar setups, and critical systems. Compact, portable, and precise, it turns chaotic diagnostics into a seamless, reliable workflow, saving time, money, and stress. Why are pros raving about the CHROME IBT? Experts call it one of the most reliable battery testers we've used, praising its precise conductance testing and lab-grade CCA accuracy. Battery analysts highlight the pass or fail indicators for fast diagnostics, while fleet managers confirm testing 50-plus batteries daily with 0 misses. Influencers in solar maintenance love the speed, printed reports, and temperature-compensated accuracy. Users across fire, security, and industrial sectors share many stories of avoiding system failures thanks to the CHROME IBT. Its wide 1.2 to 200 amp-hour capacity range, rugged design, and quick, non-invasive tests make even high-volume battery assessments effortless. The built-in memory and optional thermal printer streamline record-keeping and reporting. Curious why so many technicians, off-grid specialists, and logistics managers trust it daily? From accurate SOC or SOH readings to predictive failure alerts, the CHROME IBT combines cutting-edge technology, portability, and reliability, proving that testing batteries doesn't have to be stressful, slow, or imprecise. Don't wait. Upgrade your battery testing workflow with the CHROME IBT 12V SLA Intelligent Battery Tester today. Join technicians, fleet managers, and off-grid specialists who've transformed unreliable checks into precise, fast, and stress-free diagnostics. With ultra-accurate readings, temperature compensation, rapid 3-second tests, and rugged portability, this compact tester is ready to power your maintenance routine. Limited stock. Secure yours now and experience effortless, professional battery testing before failures strike.